Sudoeste TMN.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Welcome to Portugal.
Hello.
Welcome to Zambujeira do Mar. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Very excited to be here and excited to get on stage.
I love your accent.
Oh, thanks.
What can people expect from your show tonight?
Just a lot of energy. We're really excited to get on, so we just want to have fun and just create a special memory. Yeah.
And I know you guys don't just sing, you also dance. And are you ready to transmit that energy to the crowd?
Yeah, definitely. We want to see them dancing too, though. We've heard you guys have made a special effort to come out, so you've got to get involved. But yeah, we're looking forward to it.
All the hits and some songs from the new record?
Yeah, definitely. Like, we're having a nice mixture here. We're also doing a cover as well with a song by Florence and the Machine, Rabbit Heart.
Yeah.
So we loved performing that one. So it was a bit of nice dancey sort of stuff and nice mellow stuff. So I think everyone will be happy with this performance.
We in Portugal love the Sugarbabes. We're anxious to see you on stage. I hope you have a great show.
Thank
And
you.
we will all sing and dance and hope to see you perform really well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cá está. Oh, best man, wait. I have some t-shirts for you. T-shirts from Radio Comercial, we're the official radio of Sudoeste TMN. One for you.
Thank you.
One for you. I hope it
Thank you
fits.
very much.
And one for you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, they're a
Thank you.
perfect
Can
image.
I just take a picture with you?
Yeah.
Isto é um momento de fotografia. Sinto no Paulo China, ao pé do seu
Comercial Sudoeste TMN. A comercial em direto da Zambujeira do Mar.